Oh, what is it?
Clown.
Oh, thank you. I love it. Thank you. Did you make that?
Just for you. I found another spider.
What?
Here's an envelope.
What else is in there?
Yes.
Show me what that is.
This is my answer. One paper. It is one paper.
Oh, show me how you traced your name.
I can't. I just have to do it on a score.
How do you do it?
I get a picture and I get my name traced in. Remember I talked about it later? There's the paper cutted. And oh yes I did. That's on my school.
Show me that rainbow again. That was really nice.
That's that.
How did you do that?
I don't know. But I didn't know it.
What's that?
Remember we did it the other day?
No, Mommy doesn't know.
Like this.
What is that?
I made this from school.
What is it?
Look at it.
Let me see. Oh. What is it?
It's a paper plate.
Happy face?
It does have a face on. Oh, yes, it did this on my school. It did this on my school. It's a hard work.
Hard work?
I do hard work on my school. No, I did this on my school. I did this on my school, Mama.
Oh, that's beautiful.
It's a rainbow, but this time I drawed.
Is your work at your school hard?
Yes.
Do you like to do it? What's your favorite kind of artwork to do? What's your favorite?
My photo.
What's that say?
This is my name.
How do you know?
Because it has my name on it.
What are the letters?
Oh, those are the Christmas things. And this is another train station. And here's another. I do a lot of things in my school, Mommy.
You do a lot of things at your school?
I really have to.
Why?
Because this is how I learn at my school.
That's how you learn, yes.